Welcome to day 29. Today's word is renewal. Renewal is not about going back. It's about beginning again, with deeper roots, clearer vision, and a steadier heart. It's the moments life breathes back into the places that once felt empty. The return of light after a long season of becoming. This isn't just rest, it's revival. It's the quiet power of being made new. Renewal doesn't always mean starting over. Sometimes it's remembering what's been here all along, the essence of you, beneath the noise, the ache, the striving. You've let go, you've shed, you've walked through fire. You've done the hard work of releasing what no longer served you. But today, you don't need to push. You are invited to breathe. Renewal is not about rushing into the next thing. It's about allowing space for what's already shifting inside of you. It's the soft return, not to the version of you that once was, but to the version that's been quietly becoming. It's the bloom that rises in the dark. It's the moment you realize you never really lost yourself. You simply buried the parts of you that were waiting for light. Renewal is the gentle permission to soften, to trust that you don't have to have it all figured out. To believe that new beginnings are not proof of failure, but proof of resilience. So today, let light in, let joy in, let beauty in, let peace in, let renewal take root in you. Because every breath is a chance to begin again. Today's challenge, do one thing that nourishes your senses of renewal. Step outside and let the sun touch your skin. Write yourself a letter of hope. Take a bath, a walk, or a nap without guilt. Begin again, even if it's the 100th time. You are allowed to start fresh, today and every day. And as you rest in that truth, let these reflections deepen the renewal within you. What does renewal look like for me right now? Where in my life have I been craving softness, peace, or a fresh beginning? What small act of care could I choose today that would feel like a true renewal of spirit? As you sit with those reflections, speak these words into your heart space. I am open to renewal. I allow peace to return. I let healing bloom within me, one breath at a time. Again, I am open to renewal. I allow peace to return. I let healing bloom within me, one breath at a time. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. Bring one hand to your heart and gently close your eyes. Spirit, thank you for the gift of renewal, for the chance to begin again no matter how many times I've fallen. Renew my mind where fear has taken root. Renew my heart where grief has left cracks. Renew my spirit where I've been weary and worn thin. Let this season be one of gentle unfolding. Let me soften where I've been hard. Let me trust where I've been hesitant. Let me bloom where I once believed nothing could grow. And when I'm tempted to rush ahead, slow me down to remember that renewal is not forced, it's received. Thank you for never giving up on me, even when I nearly gave up on myself. With every breath, I welcome renewal. With every step, I begin again. Amen. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are in the sacred space of renewal, where healing happens slowly and beginnings bloom quietly. Let this be your reminder. Every breath is a new beginning. Every pause a return to self. I'll see you tomorrow for day 30. Same time, new word. Until then, soften into your becoming. Let renewal find its way in. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.